The Vive Mobility 4-wheel scooter is your ride to freedom. Expand your horizons with the anti-flat tires that navigate any and all surfaces, both indoor and out. Feel secure with the anti-slip wheels that have been tested and designed to help on any ramp you might ride on your journey. Take in your freedom at your own pace with the easy-to-use speed knob. It allows you to set your top speed, so it's one less thing you have to think about. With a top speed of 3.7 miles, you'll be able to keep up with anyone, walking with you, or maybe even leave them behind as you scout ahead. Don't worry, it has a built-in horn so others can hear you coming. The Easy Charge battery is one of our proudest features. All you need to do is plug in and relax. The cool part is that one charge will get you about 12.4 miles of range. That's about 218 football fields you can travel in one go. That's a lot of football fields, so you might need to burn some daylight. Fortunately, our scooters come with high-intensity LED headlights that allow you to see exactly where you're going in any situation at any time of day. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, this scooter better be comfortable if it's going to change my life. And well, it is. Your scooter comes with a height-adjustable, padded swivel seat with cushioned arm pads and backrest. We include the swivel feature so you can get on and off easily, but we're not sure if you'll actually want to get off. On your day-to-day travels, you might need to bring some essentials, or maybe you found something you like along the way. For situations like that, we've included a removable storage basket. And if we're being honest, and we are, you'll want to take your scooter everywhere, and we mean everywhere, which is why we made it TSA approved and made sure that when disassembled, the scooter can easily fit in any trunk with no piece weighing more than 29 pounds. So I guess really the only question you might have now is, what are you waiting for? Take back your freedom with the 4-wheel scooter by Vive Mobility. Let's live better.